To meteorologist Travis Klineski here. A very active night last night. A lot of severe weather, a lot of wind in central Nebraska. We had some places with reports of over 70 to 80 plus mile per hour wind gusts, especially in Kearney County. That looks like one of the hardest hit areas where there were some reports of some hail, not a lot of huge hail and hail damage, but wind was really the biggest feature. Now the storms are all pushing to the east, and we're going to be looking at a quieter day ahead of us for the most part. That frontal boundary we've been talking about the last couple of days, kind of slowly sneaking southward, now draped in the southeastern parts of the viewing area, will separate very warm air to the southeast with much cooler air farther north and northwest, especially underneath cloud cover. That's where the coolest temperatures will be today. Winds out of the north and northeast, a little on the breezy side in some spots. Late in the day, a small chance of showers and storms. The severe weather threat does not look like it'll be much of an issue, even though there's going to be a lot of instability in the southeast. There's going to be such a strong cap in the atmosphere. It's really going to be tough to get those to fire up. But we could see some overnight showers and isolated thunderstorms. I'm just not expecting a lot of severe weather out there. Later in the night, the chances are actually going to be a little bit better of seeing a few isolated thunderstorms out there. A lot of cloud cover as we go through your Saturday. Once again, if we see sunshine, the best chance in the far southeast where it'll be a little bit warmer, but most of us will probably see our coolest day of the next 7 coming in tomorrow. There are some models hinting at us staying in the 40s tomorrow. I don't think we'll be quite that cool, but 50s and 60s will be pretty common, maybe some 70s in the far southeast. And chances of rain pretty slim during the afternoon. We'll start to pick up on chances Saturday night. Not expecting much of any kind of a severe weather threat, barely any thunderstorms out there, but those chances will get a little bit better and come back as we get into next week. So today's temperatures, a wide range in temperatures. Upper 40s around Ainsworth, but near the mid and upper 60s around Central City, so even a wide range in temps up there. Cloudy, a slight chance of thunderstorms this morning. Out towards the west, a lot of cloud cover, mainly cloudy skies, 60s mostly for highs. In the south, good range in temps, mid to upper 60s to near 70 around the Tri-Cities. We could see mid and upper 70s and lower 80s down in north central Kansas. And off to the east, we're anywhere from the upper 60s or mid 60s around Columbus to the mid 80s in Beatrice and Belleville, Kansas. So basically, the general trend of warmer temperatures the farther southeast you go, especially for those areas that get some sun, partly to mostly cloudy skies off to the southeast. All right, next couple of days here. Again, cooler weather settling in here for the next few days. Tomorrow, probably the coolest day in the Tri-Cities. I'm going upper 50s. And I'll tell you right now, we could get maybe some 60s. We could also be stuck in the 50s and maybe even upper 40s. I think a good middle ground is about 59 degrees. Couple of mainly nighttime or early morning chances of rain and isolated thunderstorms. Sunday night, then our next chance coming as we warm up on Mother's Day Sunday. Monday, even warmer conditions, and they'll continue to be on the warmer side there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, upper 70s, lower 80s. So with warmer air, more unstable air out there, and a number of off and on chances of rain and thunderstorms, which are at this time extremely difficult to predict when the best chances are or where those will be. But with more unstable air, even though we're not looking at a lot of organized activity, there is the chance we could see some strong to severe thunderstorms during that time. So fairly active weather does not mean we're going to be looking at rain the entire time, but some beneficial rain could be on the way as we head through much next week. And the long-range forecast model is kind of hinting at this active weather pattern sticking around and warm weather kind of sticking around as well. So certainly feeling very spring-like out there. So as we get a little closer to those time frames, that's when we get a better feel for the severe weather chances. It's hard to predict beyond 1 or 2 days severe weather chances when you have such an active weather pattern, especially when you don't have a huge low pressure system moving through or something like that to really drive the severe weather and things like that. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time on Monday, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and enjoy it. God bless. Bye.